our lesson on balancing chemical equations. Today, we'll be working with a reaction between aluminum and hydrochloric acid. Let's start by writing out our unbalanced equation. Here's our unbalanced equation. Aluminum plus hydrochloric acid yields aluminum chloride plus hydrogen gas. Let's write this out in chemical symbols. To balance this equation, we need to ensure that the number of atoms of each element is the same on both sides of the arrow. Let's start by counting the atoms on each side. Let's start with aluminum. We have 1 atom on each side, so it's already balanced. Next, let's look at chlorine. We have 1 atom on the left side, but 3 on the right. To balance this, we need to add a coefficient of 3 to HCl on the left side. Now, let's balance hydrogen. We now have 3 hydrogen atoms on the left side and 2 on the right. To balance this, we need to add a coefficient of 3 halves to H2 on the right side. To remove the fraction, let's multiply the entire equation by 2. This gives us our final balanced equation. Let's do a final count to make sure everything is balanced. Great! We've successfully balanced our chemical equation. Remember, the key to balancing equations is to ensure that the number of atoms for each element is the same on both sides of the arrow. Thanks for watching.